Alright, so we're doing another RTL bus ride, this time the 45. It's Monday, June the 20th, 2022. It's exactly 8:50 p.m. We'll go to the back here because we're close to the engine and it kind of gives you that natural noise. But also you can see a little bit better the whole bus, kind of give you an idea of the ride. So what we're going to do in this ride, and the main reason I wanted to film this, I'm going to go a little bit closer because the windows are better. I'll still be in the back, we'll be over here. The reason I wanted to film this ride is because I want to see how the REM is doing, the REM, on the Samuel De Champlain Bridge. Now look, we can open our window and very carefully put the camera like this, and we'll get a good view of the electrical wires. And look over here, wait for this bus to pass. Over here is this new station, Panama Station. Still being finished up, finishing touches, but it's pretty much almost complete. Like I said, this line will be officially opened on December 1st of this year, 2022, if everything goes as planned. Now here's the thing, I'm gonna keep filming, I'm gonna stop filming and wait for this bus to leave. Yeah, sorry, I was just trying to save some space, so I just paused the video until the bus started moving. I wonder why that red light is flashing on the thing down there. Anyways, what I was gonna get at is, for this video, what I'll do is I'll put a timestamp in the description of the video where I enter the bridge, so you can see those electrical wires. And you know, when I get a better close-up of them, I'll put a timestamp exactly where in the video it is, so you don't have to hear me rambling. And what I might even do, I might extract that part of the video, specifically when I get on the bridge, and make that a video by itself. So, actually we're going on the bridge right now. So anyway, I will still put that timestamp, so it's, yeah, but 2.5 minutes. Alright, we're here already. Yeah. Because I wanted to film a whole bus ride from start to finish, but I also want to focus on this. Look at this. Beautiful. New wires. Good to go. We just have to start testing. Vehicles on the tracks. All kinds of maintenance vehicles, construction vehicles. Very interesting. Look at that. And that's where your REM is going to be, your South Shore branch. I was saying earlier, you know, December 1st, 2021 is the target date. But guess what? We just found out today. Oh yeah, by the way, there's the old Champlain Bridge getting taken down. Sorry about that. And yeah, there's a superstructure right here. Oh, look at that nice glass that they put on it. So as I was saying, the big news today was the Mount Royal Tunnel, whatever you want to call it. Apparently, they found, I think, more explosives or something in it. And because of the problems with the Mount Royal Tunnel, the entire REM, except for this part of the South Shore branch, the entire REM is now postponed until 2024. So everything past Central Station, the Dumontagne line, the West Island, all that's going to be postponed now until 2024. And I think that's because of safety concerns, and they have to take extra precautions in the tunnel. I'll post a link to that as well on this video. There's your île-des-Soeurs, Nuns Island Station. I just did a video there a couple of weeks ago. Alright, so that's pretty much it for the REM part of the video. We got a little bit of a nice view here of the curve heading into Central Station, towards Central Station. And there's a nice view of downtown Montreal. Bridge coming up. I was on that earlier today. Excellent. Beautiful support structures. Very old bridge, but very stable. Substation. Yeah, I heard about that big project. These buildings, by the way, down there, they're very old. Perfect Town is the name of that place. Get over here, on my right. 5 Roses, Montreal landmark. There's a famous sign right there. Famous landmark. And of course the old port's down there. There's your downtown port. interesting sounds. And that's where your train tracks are. They head into Central Station. Also included are the REM tracks, REM. And this big building has like a triangular roof. Well, that's where we're technically going into in a moment. We'll be going into the garage. Some coach buses down there. So definitely a nice evening pass. Well spent. That goes onto the highway. There's Pleasantville Marie. Right up top there, and this is Bonaventure, Plaza Bonaventure, and there's the train track entrance right there. Sorry if the ride's a bit shaky. Lots of construction going on here in the downtown core. Some cranes. Oh yeah, by the way, in here, you can see it, it's vacant inside, empty. That used to be where the metro simulator was, where they would train you to be a metro operator, right in there. I have an old video actually where I filmed in through the window, and there's some STM metro posters. Alright, we're going into the garage now. I'll give you an interesting view. Carefully. And this will take us to Bonaventure Metro Station. There's another 45 right behind us. He might be heading towards the South Shore when we're coming back from the South Shore. Alright, hope you all enjoyed that bus ride, and look, savor it, because I'm going to tell you right now, this terminus is going to be closed soon once the REM starts. All these buses are not going to be here anymore. They're all going to be moved. Alright, have a good night everybody. More videos to come.